He can't find our name, and then when the lady look at all the people, what whose people coming in, and he look our confirmation, they texted. We just don't pay attention. Tommy, don't pay attention. It's 30. No one good, man.
I can confirm that. That's the way it is. That's the way it works.
The wife good.
Tell him it's true. Tell him.
Here's a little song I wrote. You might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry. Be happy.
Good morning, everything family. Everything family. Every should be.
You knew I was going to take him up that way.
Huh?
You knew I was going to take him up that way.
No.
Like the other day, I took him up on the chair.
Taking a shower. Like showering. And me, I'm going to... We are the Everything Family and welcome. Kung bago ka dito, this is Mary Ann and Tommy. So, this is our vlog. This is our life. And hinahingal ako, guys. Kailangan kong... Hindi ako nag-exercise this morning kasi pagkabangon ko, ubo ako ng ubo. Sabi ko, bakit iba yung pakiramdam ko? Sabi pa ni Tommy, go back to bed. So, I went back to bed. Pagkatapos yan, sabi ko, nagutom ako. So, nakikinig ako ng Der nung Lading. Bisaya drama. And also, so yan, sabi ko, nagutom ako. So, nagluto ako ng ampalaya with egg and then fried rice. So, yun yung breakfast namin ni Tommy. Kumain si Tommy ng ampalaya, pero sobrang ano lang siya. Sobrang kaunti. Then, magre-ready lang tayo kasi may appointment po tayo ngayon. Kasi hindi na sana kami magpa-appointment kasi nagpaano na, di ba ako? Ng driver's license, yung sa test sa mata na in-examine yung mata ko. So, nagbayad pa kami ng 25 or 20. So, yun. The other day, pagka next day yun, nagpunta si Tommy online. Sabi pa niya, uy, may open na pala dahil sa COVID, diba? Matagal naman silang open, guys, pero ayaw ko talagang magpunta kasi takot ako din. And then, guys, sabi ko, mag-ano na lang tayo. Ipapasa ko na lang yan online, sabi ko. Nag-change yung mind niya. Sabi niya gusto niya magpunta na in person. Ito yung pang-protekta ko sa buhok, guys. Matagal ko na to, guys. Garnier, Fracti Style, Slick and Shine Flat Iron Protector Straightening Mist. argan oil, 43 hours straight finish. So, yun, gamit ko to siya, guys, kapag mag-iron ako ng buhok. Hi, guys! Matagal ko na tong hindi nasuot. Alam niyo ba kung saan ko to in-order online? Umabot sa akin ng 3 months. Sa online, matagal na, mga 5 years or 6 years ago. Sa China. Ang daming mga online seller na sa China nagbe-base kasi China, 'di ba? Rosgal. So yun yung online, pero sumikat noon siya, hindi nawala siya. Ngayon, iba na yung pangalan, pero yung Rosgal sumikat yun, and then pero ang problema, marami akong na-order pala sa kanila ng mga damit. Mga magaganda, guys, mga ganito yung tela, mga polyester, I don't know kung ano. Pero maganda, guys. Meron akong mga magandang mga na-order sa kanila din. Pero parang shy akong isuot yung iba mga dress. Yung iba hindi siya pwede sa akin kasi pangit tignan sa akin. Kasi mga may defect yung iba, ganun. Hindi mo talaga malalaman. Yun, Rosgal yung pangalan. Hindi ko yun makalimutan. I don't know if exist pa ba yung Rosgal. Till death do us part. Ang ganda ng drama ngayong araw, yung this morning, every morning man yan, yung drama makikinig ako. Ang ganda ng istorya. Nagpiprint lang kami ng mga requirements. Tapos na ako sa anong kailangan ko. Ngayon siya naman. Ay. Kung hindi ako pwedeng kung hindi nila i-accept itong requirements ko sa enhance, regular driver's license na lang. Yun na lang. Regular one. Bye-bye, Mimich! Bye-bye! Hi, princess! Bye-bye! I know you're sad. You're sad. You too, you're sad. You're sad. I know you wanna go, but you cannot go with Mama. I don't wanna go. I wanna go. Mama doesn't let you go. I love you na so much. What's annoying about it?
Really? God, you guys are like brats.
What did you do that hello, they won't do that. They will get the good one. Honey, they know it's good. Honey, they know what the good is, what good food is. Tom is carrying 2 different kind of treats, and then they pick the good one. They kind of like.
You don't want to eat faster, so I'll get that one first.
They snub the bacon treats.
Right.
You're so blessed, la. Happiness and joy, come on in out in the rain, come out. Honey,
What? You got my. Don't take it without telling me.
just telling me. Come on in out in the rain. Life, ano ka ba? Ano bang ibig mong
This is
sabihin?
my couch.
Hala, Put it in my pouch. Tignan nyo. May mga additional pa siya. Mga requirements niya. Kahit ano-ano kasi, hindi makinig. Sabi ko, i-ano mo yung requirements mo dong. I-andam na. Hindi inandam. Parang mag-i-snow ata, guys. Kasi may nakita kaming ano. May nakita ka akong mga nahuhulog na snow. Yun.
Does that kind of fast track this case? Yes. Before the Supreme Court?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm here in the middle of nowhere. There is no there, it is cold there, but I am safe and I am warm. Although it's hard, I know I gotta keep up. No time to let it to drift away. I feel my spirit.
It's really snowing, guys.
Was about China's influence on U.S. politics and elected officials.
Huh?
For the latest, let's bring in Newsmax White House correspondent.
I don't know, just go with the flow. I go with the flow.
It's fine. I'm doing something. Dito na kami, guys. Ito yung building nila. And nag-snow talaga, guys. Grabe. Hindi ko naman ito manak dito. Ay, ang ginawa. You make an appointment, you think you can run here today? Seriously, because you think it's gonna be today? Anyway, guys, we are here, but you know what? We are not here. We are here, pero Tommy thought it's today. And then when the lady, he can't find our name, and then when the lady look at all the people, what whose people coming in, and he look our confirmation, they texted, we just don't pay attention. Tommy, don't pay attention. It's 30.
Yeah, well, what I made on a website, it was for today. The first appointment they had available.
So let's go home. Hold on. Guys, ginoo ko ngayon. Akala pa ngayon. Ang dami talaga nagpataka-taka naman talaga ba? Hindi man talaga nakatingin sa ano, mga text, mga confirmation. Hala, there is an ambulance.
So?
Hala. Hala, may ambulance siya han. Hala guys, ambulance siya. Ambulance siya, ambulance siya. We call it ambulance siya, guys. Ambo. Ambo, ambo. Ambo, ambo. So, napalaw, Tami. Ginoo ko, Lord. Okay, so dapat andun ako sa isang bahay ngayon kasi mag-ipake, pero sabi pa nito, andito kami sa Spectrum ngayon, look. Spectrum, andun kami. Yun yung ano, binibilhan namin palagi ng mga vitamins. Yun. I don't know if you can see. May snow kasi. The vitamin shop. Mga oregano oil like that. And kumakain lang ako ng muncher. Kami ni Tommy dalawa habang magdadrive siya. Ito yung gusto kong ano. Nakapunta na ako sa Asian store, Filipino store. Ito yung gusto ko na patayin nga natin yan. Na ano, lumpia wrapper, spring roll. Ano ito siya? Ito yung gusto ko. Makakat mo siya ng square at saka marami kang magagamit nito. Gusto ko yung isa na nabili ko sa isang sa isang Filipino store, kaso problema lang siya talaga dahil naghiwa-hiwalay. So yun yung problema niya. Si Tommy lang yung pinapunta ko doon sa Spectrum para sa cellphone niya. Nagbabasa ako ng mga comment ninyo. Noong andun ako sa kwarto ni Tommy na ang dami kong nakikitang love letter. Nagsabi na daw, makalat yung ni Tommy kwarto. Makalat talaga, guys. Kasi yung bahay na yon is naging tawag nito sa dampuan ng mga gamit. Lagayan ng mga gamit ng buong pamilya since namatay yung ama nila. So doon na yung mga kapatid niya, doon na maglagay ng mga Si Tommy mahilig bumili ng mga gamit. So yung bedroom niya is talagang walang lugar noon. Hindi mo mapasok kasi pag open mo sa door, may mga malalaking TV, mga malalaking cabinet ng jewelry box kay biyanan, which is ando na sa kapatid niya. Nagbasa ako na heart ko. Yung mga nababasa ko, guys, kiniklik ko lang sila na heart. Isa-shoutout ko lang si Caroline Tuliao, sa si Jilo C, and also si Frisk Manansala, at saka si Rico Mercurio channel. Mercedita Sanchez. Inano ko lang yung na heart ko kasi na yun yung nabasa ko. Si Frida Duazo, Lydia Lika Tagalawan, Margie Lupis, Fi Conarco, at saka si Nani Diff, at saka si Merlin Benedicto, Rizalina Robelia, si Cherry Malina, si Saisis, si Gloria Umali, si Lori Ruena. Yan. At saka si Ilma Valdez, Elsa Maglalang, at saka si Juna Pahilagaw, si Angelina Ledesma, Nilda Beltran, Mabel Villaselio, Villaselio ba yun? Villaselio, Evangelina Andriano, Judith Sia, Linega Daingan, Nida Macob, Ali Chan, Amparo Palamar, Lina Liavares. Yang dami pa ninyo guys. Maria Lourdes Pinatividad. Parang kaila ko yun, Lisel Arganti, Constancia Alcantara, hello, Nora Sanchez, Jean Bagsik, si Cherry Blue Caparanga, Marilu Servana, Laging Tismo. Parang first time ko nabasa tong pangalan daw. Kasi si Rina Romira, hello, Riagani Orgain, Elizabeth Cabello, si Twins Youth Enthusiasm. Sorry, hindi ko mabasa. And together again. So we don't get our license. My husband is, he think when you make an appointment the next day, you go. That's not what it says. Gagawin ko na yung lumpia, guys, dahil it will go bad if I didn't do it. Because you know what I did with that meat? I smush it like this. So when the meat is, you touch too much, and then it's 24 hours it'll go bad. Just like a husband.
She polluted it.
Just like when the husband is keep.
Gave it cooties, now it's gonna go bad.
Just like the husband when did do too much with the wife. 24 hours later, the love will
The wife
feed.
go bad.
The wife go bad.
I can confirm that. That's the way it is. That's the way it works.
The wife go bad.
Tell him it's true. Tell him. Really? You gotta jump up in my face?
Roxy want to join
It's
love.
a pain in my butt.
Get the money. I give you extra money.
Yeah.
He gave me money. I said, no, I'm the one who's giving you. Ito na guys, ang dami, diba? Ilagay natin dito. Konti na lang yung natira. And nakikinig lang ako ng drama. Anyway, so nagutom ako guys sa kakaano. Tignan nyo naman yan, oh. Diba? Ang dami. Nagutom, Ginoo ko. Nangurog na ako guys, naghain. Nagutom. Lumpia kagabi. Tulog si Tami. Finally, tapos ko na siya guys. Nilagay ko na sa sa freezer. Ang dami. Hindi naman ako magluluto kasi ang daming pagkain namin, kami lang dalawa. Basta may gulay pa, may gulay naman. Gawa tayo ng thumbnail. Kanina pa ako vlog ng vlog. Hindi nag-error lang. Magtik tayo ng medisina guys. Kasi hindi okay pakiramdam ko. Crude wrap. Oregano oil. Ganyan siya ka. Ah, yeah. The oregano oil is very strong. Goodness. Oh, God. Kailangan siya 3 drops, guys. Kasi sobra niyang strong. Ilagay mo siya under your tongue. And then leave it there. Don't swallow. Don't drink water. Nothing. Just leave it there. But sometimes because my mouth is watery, I had to swallow it. And that's how I feel so strong and it's choking me. I made a lot of lumpia, honey. Like crazy. 3 full bags of lumpia. They're darling. What the heck? She sees everything.
She's everything? Wow.
I love you. Han! What the heck?
Oh,
What
look, they deleted it already.
We're not the suckers.
What's the suckers now? We're not the suckers, who's the suckers?
You remember when they started and Trump was like, the hydroxychloroquine seems to be great feminist. Oh, this will kill you, this will kill you. He's endangering everybody. I'm telling you.
You're calling me up at the same time. I'm in the daylight. You're calling to say hi, but your words, they cry. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain, for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud. Your silence speaks so loud. And I hear you calling up, yeah.
Just waggling her butt.
No! Don't even come here and hug us. Mama's mad. Mama's mad. No! Where is the bip bip? Where's the bip bip? No, you're not put in here. No, you are not part of our lovey-dovey. You hard head. You hard. You.
Population of 45 million people, they've had just over 100 deaths.
She said, I don't care, I look at that.
45 million
I
people.
know from him.
I've treated my clinic in
Because Dad had never told me that.
providers.
That's the problem. They scam you even midnight.
And they've been very symptomatic patients.
And your wife, not. Why you holding them?
She want attention. The little one's over there saying, my turn, my turn.
I want the attention. Honey, stop it. I'm here.
In May, the Lancet
She says, I'm being left out. I'm so sad. My tail's like really slow now. It's slowing down to a stop. Oh, wait, no. I found new life in my tail when you look at me. What, you stop waggling when I touch you? What the heck is that?
That's her baby.
later, the study's own authors were forced to retract
Hello guys. So ngayon guys, naglalaban na naman tayo guys. Para bukas, konti na lang yung labahan. So yun. And ito yung tatanggal talaga yung mga ano dito guys. Botones. Botones no. Yan. Itapo na. I-end ko na tong vlog guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys. Bye. Good night guys. Good night. Night night bang. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. I love you. I love you. Good night guys. Bye.